Hello friends, back today again for 10th standard, this time with a mensuration problem. Mensuration problem mein we are going to see how to find the height of a bucket when the volume of the bucket, capacity of the bucket is given. Okay? So shall we start straight away? July 2023 का problem है दोस्तों. Let's see. A bucket is in the form of a frustum of a cone like this. You already know the meaning of frustum. It holds 28.490 liters of water. इसके अंदर इतनी capacity है, storage 28.490. The radii of top and bottom. Frustum के लिए there are two radii. Top radius R1 28, bottom radius R2 21. Find the height of the bucket. So height of the bucket we can call as H. Height of the bucket is asked, two radii are given. So this problem is very simple. Just use the formula, substitute the values, but calculations are important. Okay? That day we saw how to calculate LCM for bigger numbers. In the same way, we will see how to multiply and divide for bigger numbers. Okay? So first thing is, given capacity means given volume, multiply by 1000. Now why do we multiply by 1000? Because I want to convert this into centimeter cube. Why centimeter cube? Because this is given in centimeter, this is given in centimeter. So do not keep volume in liters. So remember the conversion. If you have to convert liters into centimeter cube, multiply by 1000. Liters into centimeter cube, multiply by 1000. Yaad rakho. So when I multiply by 1000, point will shift to the right by 3 places. 1, 2, 3. इतना सेंटीमीटर क्यूब हो गया. ये पहली चीज है. नाउ वॉल्यूम ऑफ फ्रस्टम 1/3 पाई h r1 स्क्वायर प्लस r2 स्क्वायर प्लस r1 इंटू r2. बेसिक फॉर्मूला. सो 1/3 इंटू दे हैव मेंशन्ड पाई इज 22/7. टेक पाई एज 22/7. सो 1/3 इंटू 22/7 इंटू h. अंदर वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करो. 28 स्क्वायर्ड r1 is 28, r2 is 21, 28 into 21. Now for our reference, I have written this as 784 plus 21 squared is 441, 28 into 21, 588. Clear? So now let's see how to calculate. So 1/3. ये तीनों ऐड करो. 784 plus 441 plus 588. Add all the three numbers. See what you are getting. तीनों ऐड करो. You have notebook? करो ऐड. 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 4 13. लास्ट में 3 आएगा. क्या आ रहा है? चेक वेदर यू आर गेटिंग 1813. चेक करो. ओके. Now, how do we go about the calculations? Keep h on the left hand side. Three into 7 goes in the numerator. यहाँ से क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन. This multiplied by this multiplied by this. And what comes in the denominator? 22 into 1813 goes in the denominator. Okay? So how will you think of calculating now? First thing is just add up this. 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 3 13. 13 is not divisible by 3. So forget about 3. बट इफ यू एक्चुअली डिवाइड बाय 7, 7 से डिवाइड करो, स्टार्ट करो, 7 2 जा 14, क्या आ रहा है देखो जरा, 7 2 जा 14, कैरी ओवर 4 41, 7 5 जा 35, 7 9 जा 63, followed? So that has got cancelled. That's how you decide. So ये दोनों कैंसिल हो गया है. What we are getting is into 3. 3 वैसा ही है, 22 into 259, इतना बच गया है. अभी बाकी है कैलकुलेशन. सो लेट्स सी विच स्टेप टू यूज नाउ. इसका काम हो गया. जस्ट रब दिस ओवर हियर. ओके, सो 7 से डिवाइड किया पहला बिकॉज इट वाज डिविजिबल बाय 7. वी गेट 259. 7 हैज गॉन, राइट. 3 ऊपर रह गया. अभी व्हाट विल डू इज चेक वेदर 259 इज डिविजिबल बाय 3. 9 plus 5 14 plus 2 16. 16 is not divisible by 3, so नहीं हो सकता है. तो अभी क्या हाथ में है? Let us simplify this. Let us divide this by 2. 2 into something. Okay. So if you divide this by 2 and divide this by 2, what do you get? 2 14s are 28. देखो यहां से 2 into 14 is 28 and 490 का हाफ 245. If you actually divide, you will get the same thing. 14 into 14 245. 2 into this. I'm just factorizing into 3. अभी इसका क्या अभी ऐसे रखेंगे. नेचुरली इफ यू आर टेकन 2 इंटू दिस 22 को आई राइट 2 इंटू 11 इंटू 259. 2 गेट्स कैंसल्ड. इतना बच गया. नाउ what I'll do is 14245 divided by 11. करो 11 1s are 11, carry over 3, 11 2s are 20, 11 3s are 33 होता है, 11 2s are 22, carry over 10. कितना आ रहा है देखो, ऊपर 4, 11 9s are 99, carry over 5, 11 5s are 55, right? So when I divide 14245 by 11, what am I getting? 1295. So H equal to 1295 into 3 upon 259. Last step. See, we just saw that this cannot be divided by 3. So why don't you try directly this and this? 9 5s are 45 किया, 9 5s are 45, यहाँ पे 5 चाहिए. So why don't you try 259 into 5? Direct try करो. That will be 1295. So 1295. So 259 into 5 gives you 1295. So final answer is 5 into 3, H equal to 15. 15 centimeters is the height of the bucket. That is the answer. Problems substituting and all is very simple. Calculations very important. So I thought better to explain step by step. हाउ टू गो अबाउट दिस. पूछा था एग्जाम के लिए 2023. वीडियो इज ओवर इन 10 मिनट्स. देखो, वापस कैलकुलेशन ट्राई करो, खुद नहीं आया तो वापस देखो, गेट इट परफेक्ट. 2023 July may be repeated again after 3 years, don't know. Okay, that will be all for today. Bye.